Hi, this is Amy. Today is gonna be another food diary vlog. I am now on my way to meet up with my best friend. We are going to have Omakase today. So today is gonna be a full day of eating. I can't wait to eat. This is gonna be our first time having Omakase together, so I'm quite excited about it. Now I am on my way to East Village. Let's hop on a bus. It's raining so bad. My shoes are all wet. Oh my god. Now I'm on my way to meet up with my friends. They are in the breakfast restaurant. It is a Taiwanese restaurant. It's called Whole Food. Appointment for the omakase is at 2 p.m. It's still early now, so we're gonna have a light breakfast before the meal. Go, go, go. In Whole Food, we ordered breakfast for two. They have radish cake, homemade scallion pancake with egg, fine tuan, or you can call it rice roll, and 2 soy milk. The flavor was pretty bland, so we don't really recommend this store. There was a farmer market nearby, and my friend brought some flowers. Here comes the omakase. We went to Shinn East and it was $69 for 13 pieces. This is the yellowtail. Soho, there is a coffee shop that was well known for their Osmanda latte. The overall decorations in the coffee shop was really cute. However, the Osmanda's latte, we don't think there is much Osmanda flavor. We stopped by SHOWFIELDS to take a look at the display they have this time, and I enjoyed the slide so much from 3rd floor to 2nd floor. We didn't ride it on that day, but here's a clip from a few days later. On the 2nd floor, we spent half an hour playing the puzzles. There is a famous bakery store with a long line, and we get one of each. I think they were pretty good, but do need to share with others. Otherwise, it will be too much for a person.
One pistachio, one blueberry?
Yes. For dinner, we want something light, and we went to this rice noodle roll shop in Chinatown for rice noodle and congee. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.